Are you looking for the best jigsaw reviews? In this video we will look at some of the best jigsaw reviews on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, PT Club Cordless Electric Jigsaw. The variable speed trigger provides up to 2,900 strokes per minute to easily adjust speeds during cutting. The 4-position orbital action modes of the jigsaw. It can also cut straight or curved lines with different arcs. Adjustable base provides versatility for easy left or right bevel cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees. Compact jigsaw can cut straight lines or curves with different arcs. It weighs only 1.5 kg for less fatigue during operation, and the slim contour D-grip top handle makes this cordless jigsaw more comfortable while working. The special locking button prevents any accidental use, maximizing your and your family's safety. Number 2, Toorise Brushless Jigsaw. Pure copper motor, strong power, long lifetime, up to 3,000 revolutions per minute. 3 levels of blade adjustment, different levels for different materials cutting. 0 level is suitable for straight line cutting. 1 level island suitable for small curve cutting. 2 level island suitable for medium curve cutting. Adjustable base plate allows bevel cutting up to 45 degrees, more flexible work. There is a lock button to prevent the machine from being opened accidentally to ensure safe use. Made of high quality plastic and metal, thickened metal base plate for precise cutting, suitable for several materials of plastic, metal and wood. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. Our service team will provide you with a professional and satisfactory service. Number 3, RDDSPON Electric Jigsaw. For customers in South Korea, please tell me the personal customs clearance number PXXX, so that we can arrange fast delivery. Thank you. In transit, the carton may be slightly broken or the product will have slight scratches, which is normal. Please do not place an order if you mind. Thank you. Anti-drop design for saw blade installation, saving time and effort. Non-slip handle makes it easy to operate. Self-locking when there's a mistake. Air vent for cooling to prevent the motor from burning down. Powerful and variable speed. Pure copper motor, strong power and long service life, with 3-speed cutting speed adjustment function. Number 4, XMSJ 7/8 inch Cordless Jigsaw. Cordless Jigsaw kit comes with a PWR Core 20TM 2.0R lithium battery and 20 volts charger. Customized cuts use this versatile power saw to make various straight and curved cuts across a variety of materials. The PWR Core 20TM lithium battery has an innovative temperature management system to keep battery cool and powering on through your project. Ensures maximum control for cleaner cuts in various types of projects, with brake function for a precise finish. Provides high cutting efficiency for different materials, up to 2,800 strokes per minute. Choose the setting for your material. Easily replace and secure saw blades in seconds. Quickly adjust the shoe for a perfectly angled cut each time. Directs dust to give you a clear view of your cut line. Illuminates work area when trigger is pressed, and light remains on 10 seconds after trigger is released. Number 5, WOYOFADA 2,900 RPM Cordless Jigsaw. Anti-drop setting, saving time and effort when installing the chain. Adjustable thicker bottom plate, adjustable height, suitable for various occasions. Fast heat dissipation design, efficient heat dissipation, to prevent the motor from overheating and damage. The transparent dust cover makes the operation more intuitive and prevents debris from flying randomly. For adjustable cutting angles design, free switching, adjust the cutting angle, increase the cutting function. Lock the switch, press the button, the cutting function is locked. Safety design,